Hey, so on the way to the campground, we decided we were hungry, or well, Charlie's the hungriest, but we decided to stop. And we always like to look for places that are not unique to our hometown. So, or I shouldn't say not unique, but not, chain. Like right next door is a Dairy Queen. We have a Dairy Queen. So we found this little place, the Sunrise Diner. So it looks like it's Christian based, and it's a little hole in the wall to the area. You can see right behind me, this is the diner. So you never would have even thought that this was a place to eat. So I'm going to turn it around. Charlie is already in there. We've already ordered. I'm not sure, 2 something in the afternoon. No, it's not that late. It's about noon. I'll have to double check the time. But anyway, I'm not going to say anything when I walk in because it's a very small restaurant and there's a few people in there eating, and I just don't want to interrupt everybody. So I'm just going to walk through. Charlie's in there, like I said. We have food already ordered, and it's just a very nice, hole in the wall, hopefully delicious restaurant. So let's go inside. So, like I said, we've already placed our order. I got chicken tenders with eggs over medium well, biscuit and gravy, because it says they're known for their breakfast and their biscuit and gravy. So, how could I not get breakfast when I love breakfast anyway?
You see the back behind us there, you can see some awards they have gotten for
over the chalkboard.
Yeah, for their breakfast. So, all right. So I'm gonna get the biscuits and gravy and sausage and scrambled eggs, and here it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So that looks good. So on yours,
Serious.
Right. That looks good. So we're gonna get our bellies full, and yeah, I'll bring you back with our food. I have food. So this is what I got. Chicken tenders, over medium well eggs, biscuits, and gravy. So I think we're going to give it a little try.
Absolutely.
See how it is. Okay?
Yeah.
So you go first.
Okay. And like she said whenever they brought the food out, she said, well, I'm glad that's not sausage gravy. Me too. I like sausage gravy, but just good milk gravy that's me. So.
Look at the inside of that chicken tender. It's got lots of good chicken. I don't know if y'all like chicken for breakfast. I love it. And it has a lot of good protein in it. I know being fried is not great, but it is what it is. Let me know in the comments if you like chicken for breakfast. I just dipped it in my gravy too.
Well, I like eggs for breakfast. Pretty good.
It's good with the gravy.
I know how much they eat.
It's good?
That gravy's good. I think I'm just got fit on everything. I think I am.
I think we're going to eat now, and we'll see in a few. See you sometime.
We'll be back.
Yeah. Alright, so we have finished our breakfast and we are leaving now. So everything was good. And I'm just gonna give you, just in case you're in this area, Smithville, Tennessee. So if you're ever in Smithville, Tennessee, then stop in at the Sunrise Diner and have you some breakfast or some lunch. They actually had a special today for lunch that looked really, really good. It was chicken fried rice with an egg roll, and I kind of wish I'd went with that.